Alright, YouTube, what the heck is up? What are we doing? Okay, so we're gonna do a segment on a dish that I think a lot of Hispanics may know, or be familiar with, is huevos con weenie.
What?
Yeah,
Bro, what are you
huevos
talking
con
about,
weenie.
man?
Eggs and weenie, or hot dog. This one is specifically a chicken franks. I usually get chicken frank or turkey frank. Just I don't like messing with that pork and mystery meats. So that was not too bad. $1, cheap. Eggs probably like $1.99, $2.99. Super budgety. You can make all the time, on the go, quick, fast. And I'm going to show how to prepare it. And tortillas, tapatio sauce, basics, salt, pepper, and we're gonna get going right now. Okay, cool. So what I did was I got the hot dogs. I washed them off, to get rid of all the whatever extra salmonella that got on it. Cut them up into little pieces, like how you see here. Mainly so the whole thing can kind of get cooked all the way around, and just because it's cool and it's gonna blend in good when the eggs are put in later. I already kind of had the pot heating up a little bit with oil, and just put some salt in there, and then I'm gonna put these in here to cook for a while until they get a little dark, a little bit dark, but cook. And then I'm gonna put the eggs into it as these are already kind of finishing up because the eggs cook faster, so it'll be a good, a little bit of science behind it, timing, and then we'll have a complete meal once it's all cooked up and chopped up. Okay. Okay, so now that we got a good little burn going here, kind of brown. See, most of them is sort of brown. But once we start cooking the eggs in it, it'll be pretty much just right. Let's see. Usually about 4 eggs does it. Kind of blend in with all the meats. Using one hand here, guys. Okay. Kind of let that settle in. Get heated up a little bit. Be a little artistic, respect the space and temperatures of the food, something cheap and affordable, but yet to bring different type of flavors, so we prepare it. Probably gonna add some pepper to that. I only added salt and of course the light oil, vegetable oil. But the pepper will be a good filler, just to, for the look, but also to give it the taste, peppery taste, a little more spice. Once you combine it with the tapatio, you're good to go. Tortilla, that's all you need. Kids will eat it. Another good one is my mom used to cook all the time. She put cabbage, not with the eggs, but with the hot dogs. So it'd be cabbage and oil with the cut up hot dog, and that's how you served it. It was good. It was really good. I really respected the combination, the taste, and then the simplicity of it. Just this hot dog with cabbage, But you cook it a certain way. It's something different. It's enjoyable. Probably that's it for a little bit. Just get a little bit more hotter. You don't want to burn it. Eggs are delicate. The meat doesn't need to be burnt. It's pretty cooked already. Cut it up the most you can, so everything is thoroughly cooked. And we'll be back. Okay, people, and there you have it. You got your plate. You got the huevos con weenie. You got the tortillas there on the side. Tapatio, you got that. Tear it up. I think when I was younger, there was a time where I was actually using ketchup to eat this. Yeah, believe it or not. No tortillas, just to catch up with the weenies and the eggs. But either way, we love it. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and then we'll see you next time. Peace out. Z Crest.